Pineapples begin their journey long before they reach the factory.
Only fully mature fruit is selected for drying.
Quality control begins directly in the field.
Harvested fruit is prepared for transport immediately. Speed matters to preserve freshness. The pineapples are sealed for controlled transport. The raw harvest leaves the fields behind. Distance is short to reduce spoilage. Processing begins where precision replaces soil.
The factory is ready to receive its raw fruit.
The first mechanical handoff begins the factory process. Human eyes confirm what machines cannot judge.
Field residue is removed before washing. Clean water prepares the fruit for processing. Moisture control is essential before cutting. Uniform size ensures even drying later. Nothing is wasted, only redirected. The fruit is now fully cleaned. The heart of the factory lies ahead. Transformation is about to begin. Automation replaces hours of manual labor. Byproducts are separated instantly. Texture matters as much as taste. Uniform fruit moves forward without pause.
Shape defines drying efficiency.
Consistency ensures even dehydration.
Human judgment refines machine output.
Only perfect slices continue.
Preparation is complete for drying. Moisture removal defines dried pineapple. Controlled heat gently removes moisture. Precision airflow protects flavor and color. Time and temperature work together. Automation ensures consistency at scale. Drying never stops once it begins. The final stage locks in texture. Moisture has been precisely removed.
Cooling stabilizes the dried fruit. Temperature balance prevents condensation.
The product is ready for refinement.
Finishing defines the final eating experience.
Texture reveals perfect dehydration.
Precision requires human judgment.
Uniformity ensures consistent packaging.
Appearance matters as much as flavor.
Safety checks are never optional.
Only approved product moves forward.
The process nears completion.
Flow control ensures packaging accuracy. The final stage is about to begin. Packaging is only complete after verification. A perfect seal preserves freshness.
Accuracy builds consumer trust.
Continuous testing ensures consistency.
Science validates the process.
Moisture defines shelf stability. Safety standards are uncompromising. Every batch is fully traceable. Approval clears the product for distribution. The journey nears its end. Finished products take their final form. Secure packaging protects every slice. Traceability follows each box. Efficiency meets scale in logistics. Stability ensures safe transport.
Storage keeps inventory ready to move.
Timing connects factory to market.
Distribution begins its journey outward.
And this is how modern factories produce dried pineapple from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.